Morgan, what are we doing today?
The third slime challenge video.
What was the outcome of the first one?
Nathan gets slimed.
What was the outcome of the second one?
Nathan got slimed.
You bastard! Oh,
where do I shoot? It's warm! What is the outcome going to be of this one, Morgan? And you better answer correctly, because...
Get slimed. I don't want to get slimed, Nathan.
Well, sometimes, Morgan, life just...
If you're in your house.
Total recall challenge. So they said me and a friend, family member, or YouTuber go head to head in trying to recite as many words as we can that's been told to us by a third person. I've chosen to do this with Morgan. There will be 3 rounds and the loser basically gets slimed. Hello.
Would you like some DIY? Microphone, adventure, headphone, panther, consequence, independence, cycle, Deadpool, tent, guitar, PlayStation, Barbie, Colossal, Speed Force Blue.
Yeah.
High five!
Who's getting slimed?
Nathan.
Okay, this is slime challenge 2, the drippage. If I get slimed again, then just delete all my YouTube channels and cry in a hole. Despite that though, essentially just parcel. Oh, finish me off now. Dude.
Nathan, what are you so scared for?
I'll do it.
Oh, Nathan.
It's working at least.
I gotta wash my hands.
You're supposed to use a long one. Oof.
Not by the one.
Oh, that smells.
Whoa!
Told you.
It's coming on me.
What did I
You could
say?
have used that.
Well, I didn't realise how big he was gonna go.
Buy another one.
I will. What if a smoke alarm goes off, fam?
Take it aside, take it aside.
Don't put it on me!
No, just take it off.
Enormous.
Boy, sticky eye command,
That's cool.
Yeah, we definitely.
Burning the place.
Is it?
No,
Aye.
no, that's just the powder. Spraying everywhere. Look how long it's burning for as well.
I can't breathe.
Smoke, that's why.
Oh my god. If you want some shit in your ass.
I didn't realise how big he was gonna go, see, that's the problem. We could use it for redemption, it would have been awesome.
Get another one, definitely.
I will. So this is the 3rd and final slime challenge. Unfortunately, we are not partnered with the Mental Men for this one. We couldn't get a hold of them. However, we're gonna end this series off with a trilogy. And the past 2 times... Yeah. Past 2 times Morgan has won. So...
The second time I admit, was a faulty win, and I apologise.
Yeah. I'm not saying I should have won. However, you shouldn't have won with the way he did. I'm not saying you wouldn't have won anyway, but apparently there's a bit of dodgy dealing going on, which I'm not too happy with, but here we go. The first challenge we did a remembering game of trying to remember who a remembering game of who could remember the most words. The second one was a pass the parcel type thing. And this one is going to be some innuendo bingo, which should be very fun. I feel like we should get a close up on our faces.
It's gonna be cold, Nick, man.
Well, I apologise. So you get to warm up with some slime later.
Innuendo bingo.
So I have this gate in front of me. If you would like to look down, we have this towel. We have the camera and our presenter Caitlin, as she's been for the past 2 times. We have our water, a can of Coke, some burnt garlic bread,
And a bit of smoke over there somewhere.
yeah, a bit of smoke. So yeah.
Done, you can't do this. Right.
Dig in! I also like to stroke my pussy a lot.
Oh, where are my nose?
You didn't even get to the good part, like. Would you keep yours in your mouth now?
It's because I just pictured Michael from the Tweenies with our bodies. No
Shove
way.
the rest of it on.
Sorry.
Shove the rest of it on.
Oh, yeah.
You have to open your mouth. Is it Billy? Do not swallow.
Oh. Oh, that's nasty. Right, so he's on what? Wait, what's it do 5?
Don't do 5. It'll be over into like.
Oh my god, Alfie! Pull it. Oh my. Pull it. Pull it. Jesus Christ. Pull it. Oh my. I'm not. You lick. Sorry.
I was flying into that.
What's the thing? Right.
Okay, open your mouth. Is it edible? I mean, I want flaws. Yeah, don't bite it. Okay. But you have to open your mouth even wider. Oh! What? I guess you could bite it. What is that? Do you not know? There's no flavor. Bite it.
Both of you win on our one.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry, what did you do to me? Dad! Oh my god. I officially hate everything. I hate you and I hate this.
Oh, dear.
It's because I can know that was projectile fun. The trouble is, right? Trouble was.
How many?
I can clearly feel it dripping from my mouth, but I can just see where like I laughing at me, so I'm like, you better stop it now. Oh.
That's 3 for you, eh?
Ding dong. Ding dong. Ding dong. Run, Forrest, run. Ding ding dong. Ding ding dong dong. No, could you actually not? Ding ding dong.
You both won that. You're supposed to look each other in the eyes.
Okay, sit real still. Oh my god, I'm nervous. My first time doing this with you. Does this hurt? It feels kind of painful, but at the same time, it's really smooth. It's interesting. All I want is to not make you bleed.
Winner.
So, my face is a bit sore from all that dick slapping.
That was it. That was it.
I'll certainly take that milk. Oh, for you. Okay, I'm just lubricating mine with delicious tomato.
Oh, that was it. That's the end of the video.
Oh, this feels so not have some liquid in my mouth.
Dude, you dig it right in there.
I'm trying.
Stick it in. Come on, and release.
Slowly.
Okay.
Why is my bed wet? Was that me? Right, here comes your first object. Oh my god. Okay, feel away. Lower. There it is. You're now feeling the head. You're feeling the head. Why is his head so big?
Oh no, it's so sore.
Think about all the subscribers.
It's so sore.
Oh.
Ow! Ow!
Molly, go on.
Ow! Ow! I can't do it.
You can. You're literally riding right now, though. That is what you're doing.
It's so fun. Mount it, Tyler. Tyler's a bit gobsmacked because he's just found something in a newsagent that was highly inappropriate.
Literally, it was straight up, like, I saw everything type of gay porn. Like, just right next to, like, all the One Direction magazines. And I was, like, very confused. So I got it for Elfie. She keeps licking me.
Don't you find it refreshing?
No.
Oh my god, look at that.
Yeah.
I've licked Zoe's eyeball.
Oh, I didn't know where you were going with that.
Tyler, that's an awfully big stick you've got. She's white because she's pure, because she's kept separate from the cocks.
Look at my little. Can we talk about how cute this is?
Don't bad, I need to find them.
Just find funny videos. You can't go in your mouth.
3-twin now. 3-3.
Yeah. No,
It's not in general anymore, is it?
Yeah, we said laugh in general.
No, because then we changed it to laughing first because you were on about how.
Was I?
No, I'm sure we did general. I can't remember.
It was general. We were laughing in general. That's why I had to add 2 more points onto Morgan.
Oh, I meant 4-3.
Oh, yeah.
I had hopes that I was not losing anymore, like, but.
Hi. You're okay.
Wait, there's another one.
You cannot keep interrupting. Walter! She'll be right back. Stop!
That's the last of that video.
Right, so since it's all ended up shit, we're going to do one from the actual BBC Innuendo bingo.
I will be spending tomorrow building a brand new barbecue, having friends over for late afternoon nosh in the garden.
Here we go. A bit wet there? Or worse. All right then. More water, please. Nice big gulp of it, please. Thank you. There we are. Now this one's spotted by one of our listeners called Bobby, and this is from ESPN, which is a sports channel, and it's ex-footballer Felipe Senderos.
You couldn't have got it more wrong.
Chris,
You're
is that not right? Philip Sandros.
Tackle and it's gonna come in your face.
Oh, Chris, he's gone. Becky's fine.
I'm okay.
Well done.
It means more.
Next.
But in the hole, they're having a good feel around. Watchdog. Both Phil and Paul have their equipment in the hole. They're having a good feel around. Phil?
There's a lot in here, so you might want to read.
Paul's flagging. Both Phil and Paul have their equipment in the hole. They're having a good feel around. Phil's pumping hard, making his rods do the work. Paul's hose is looking limp. It looks like Paul's flagging.
He's gonna be so.
Oh, that like, I was trying to keep it back.
You good? The darkness.
And it went down.
Hey, and this one's spotted by Nicola. And this is from Front Row, a programme on BBC Radio 4.
These jukebox musicals are far too common, and to be honest, a computer could write one. I think you could knock one off on your laptop of a Saturday night.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Well held, both. Well
I
held.
laughed more because he had my accent.
One more. Ready?
You're both 4-4 now. Well, yeah.
Oh, look at that!
What's that?
Spit.
Australia, they do it completely differently over there. You're right, Chris. Do you know what's coming?
Get off me. Right, I do.
You do, don't you? Yeah, ready. Here we go. Grand Designs, Australia.
So this is what it's all about.
Sit.
I can understand why your dick's been enlarged, Michael. It was terrific.
He's having his deck enlarged there, of course.
Sorry, man.
Okay, I'm going to do one more, actually.
Hang on, if I was the last... He was stood, he was sat there like that. It all the water just jumping out in little squirts. That's gotta count, come on.
Tell me when you're ready. You both win.
Right, you guys. Oh, you can't even see my face. We've been on this like last.
We've been on this like
This last. That should be the title.
The
last.
Slime challenge, read the last.
And if this doesn't work, then
Different challenge.
I'll do a different challenge. A different challenge.
But then we'll lose it straight away.
This is one right.
Clyde 5, he's a kid and he has a cool watch that lets him shoot lasers and he's really, really strong. Clyde 5, he has all kinds of awesome powers. What are you doing? It's my superhero theme song. When there's danger around, he fights really hard, Clyde 5.
So my camera has died, so we'll have to use this. We're gonna try and move on from Innuendo a bit because it's just not working. We're not laughing. So we're gonna try and do one last thing.
Okay.
Ethan? I'm great, thanks. Please. My achievement with YouTuber. No!
What's that?
I didn't laugh. Money!
High five.
Hey, you didn't laugh. No! You know what you
You smell like it.
What it's like to lose work. I sat there last year, right, and watched you get all the words right, yeah? I was sat here with my cool kid's haircut, yeah? Thinking, oh my god. Thinking I just lost and I stood there and I got slimed and it was like, I wouldn't be like a morgue, so I'll have the and honestly, God, it was the shittest moment of my life, yeah? Which I thought. Then, right, then come Christmas time, yeah? Sat here, my bikini, my hair is looking on fleek, yeah? Sat here, drinking parcel back and forth. That was completely down to fate. And I still lost, right? And I still out there got slimed with warm green slime. Now, in honour of redemption. I was going to do red flame for you, blue flame for me, because you know, it's like colours that you made at that moment. In honour of redemption, which was your idea, so I won't credit that as mine. You're going to get the purplest slime you've ever seen.
We only have like 25 grams of each, so it's still only missing one bag.
No. This is the final slime challenge you will ever see on this channel, yeah? Gonna go in style. And for once, I'm not gonna look like a freaky grosser, a greasy from Gallagher. How do you feel? Went upstairs earlier, you said, I said what's gonna happen this round, and you said you're gonna win. You said I'm gonna lose. Some shit. That's a lovely shade. Colour looks beautiful, I must say.
I'm done with bloody sprinkling now.
There's one. Let's go.
Getting slime, right?
It smells so nice, like it actually does. Oh, lovely purple colours ready for redemption.
You can tell it's doing a slime because
Yeah, it's like jelly. That's what I'm thinking of. Jelly. It smells like jelly.
it's oily.
How's it feeling? Watch me drop my phone.
No, it's got like.
It just feels like sticky. Read the instructions. We've been mixing it for quite a while. It's got kind of a gooey consistency.
Well,
to say the
it's
least.
slime if
Well, I know.
Give me to film you and like Morgan doing like some TGF.
Family fun with your friends. Well, come on down to Film Form Studios, where we bring fun alive. Right, fam. At least feel achieved, yeah. That after this entire series, you've won.
I got it.
Because I got slimed twice out of 3 times.
Sit down, I can't eat it.
No, you have to stand up.
Why?
Well, no, like, it has to be you though.
On my knees.
Turn around the other way so that you're facing the big camera, and also come back a bit as well. Right there. Right, you ready?
Yeah, what's on top of it?
Hang on. Right, should we say a few words?
I hate you.
Right. No, don't look in.
Oh. Wanna. Ah! Oh, mother.
Just put it on me, no, fam.
Oh, sorry, you know. Ah. Oh, you should learn trampoline.
Oh, yeah. You got yours done in the summer, fam. Bit of a downside. All the towels covered in spit. Morgan, give this video a rating with 1 word. Well, you have still won the series nonetheless. Victory Royale with Jay Grammatic. Okay.
This is my solo sprite. Are you okay? Would you tell us that you're okay? Are you okay? Would you tell us that you're okay? Bye guys.